Let's take time and difference in price and quality. Security comes security concern. In some websites there is no proper security. There is chance to leak off our personal things, bank accounts and other time consuming. We searching the products which we want. One website to other website that takes time. Poor user experience. By searching the products, when we searching products, that's load time, takes time. And when paymenting the amount, that's takes more time loading. Limited products in some websites. Limited products, how much we want, that much not products is available. Website and then we lack of proper order, putting information after. Just continued by
shopping to develop a user-friendly online shopping platform. This platform is available on to enable simple login, registration, and payment options. To provide advanced product search and filter options. To provide real-time order tracking for users. To create a mobile responsive interface. This website contains login, registration, and every payment option. To provide product searching and option, this website contains products and variety of filter options. To support real-time order tracking for users. To create a mobile responsive interface.
Maganda.
Good afternoon, myself Sayeed, and now I am going to talk about our systems which we have developed in this website. So secure and scalable online shopping platform in which we can all have the secured things which our data will be having. Advanced search, sorting and filtering of products. In this we have also introduced filtering in which we can also have the price category from low to high, and also the sizes from M to XL like that. And after also AI-based personalized recommendation in which we can also show them the best quality, best price, value for money products also. And secured encrypted payment system. This is the main thing in every platform. So we have also introduced a very good thing, secured payment, in which there would be no losing of money through our website, and real-time order and delivery tracking system. And in many other websites there would be a tracking order details would be lagging, and there would be a different days they will be telling. So in our website there will be a very good tracking system, so that the customer can see the real-time tracking things and accurate and regularly updated product information. Through our website they can also see the product details and the product information clearly, the ratings and the reviews also. Thank you.
Dr. Rahman, I'm Sanjana from the Department of Data Science. First, I'm going to present a previous on the topic of online system. I choose the methodology. First, we selection the requirements what we need for our website, and analysis. Next, we design the front-end interface and the back-end logic database. In front-end interface, we use HTML, CSS, and back-end logic we use Java, etc. In database, we use SQL. At development of main modules, we are using login page, product management, card system, and payment integration, and we are tracking the orders. Then we maintain the updates and give the updates to the customers about tracking and food system. Then testing unit we are using some security testing also.
ಸಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಣ್ಣ
Architecture and block diagram. In this, we can see what all the things would be going to our website. And first, from client side, we can see the product catalog, in which they can see all the reviews, ratings, and the prices of the things and the discounts also. And from there, if the product is liked by the customer, they can take it to the shopping cart, and from shopping cart they can do the order, so they can know all the things. And from there, the payment processing will be there as cash on delivery or online payments and all. From this, the customer can take all the from this the customer can take the product.
Good afternoon, I am Sana. Now I am choosing online user. User front-end, external uses JavaScript, and backend uses Python, Node, JavaScript, Java. Database is MySQL. Cloud is AWS, Azure, Google. AWS means Amazon Web Service. Security is SSL, OTP, encryption. Hardware is in laptop.
This is our progress of our system. Basic project requirements collected. It means our team has collected all the information and gathered. It means necessary of information about this project. What can should do, and what are the features added from this website, and what are the features from users, means customers. That point we have created this website. And the second point is a database structure created. Database structure design we have developed. It means fields, tables, and storing data in this project. In this project we have planned and created. Next, third point is login and registration module partially completed. It means login session will be started. Users can log into system and created their accounts. And user interface design started. It means our website or app, how to look our website or app. It's we have used the layouts and color and buttons to attract the peoples. So product listing page under development. Finally, our page is completed and display the products. We have compared the other apps and ratings, and we can order and buy it.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Subhana Khanna. So I am going to explain a conclusion and reference. So in conclusion, our project shows that the online shopping website or apps makes buying products easier by allowing users to browse items, add them to the cart, and place the order from anywhere. This project helped us to understand how websites work, how to design user-friendly pages, and how online shopping systems are built. It is a useful base for adding more features like online payment, better security, and smarter product suggestion in future. So in reference, VS Code is used for VS Code is used as main code editor, and we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for structuring, styling, and functionality of the web page, and we use ChatGPT for guidance and explanation and coding support. Thank you.
ಮಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ ಮಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅದು ಸಾಕು